This truck comes around me. They were behind me. They comes around me, and they make a legal right turn on red when there was a sign, no turn on red. Dangerous. Hey, buddy, what's the rush? Speeding past me until they out of sight. And now it begins. These cars are speeding past everybody, breaking the flow of traffic, of course. And it just continues. I'm going exceptionally fast myself. Basically, I'm doing the speed limit and the fastest speed limit you can in the lane that I'm in. And people are just driving right past me. Right back.